Guys, so today I'll be teaching you how to graph uncertainties using Microsoft Excel. So see, you have this the IV, DV. The IV represents the x-axis and the DV represents the y. And it's uncertainties, its values. Um, but before we graph them, we need to find the maximum slope of x and y and the minimum slopes of x and y. Uh, Actually, it's easy for them to solve. You can just do it with a paper pen. It's just addition and subtraction, but uh, it's preferred to type down the formula. To write down the formula, you always need to put the equal sign. It's very important because without it, your formula won't work. So, equal sign, open parenthesis, and we need to add them first. First value of IV and its uncertainty, so it's 2 plus 0.6. There we have 2.6. This time we need to subtract them. So 4 minus 0.9, there 13.1. Here we do the opposite, we subtract first before we add. So equal sign 2 minus 4, there 18. And this time we add. So 81 plus 8. There we have 89. Here we do the opposite again. So we add before we subtract. So equal sign, open parenthesis, 2 minus, oh sorry, my bad. We subtract before we add. Then 6, there 1.4, then we equal sign 14 plus 2.9, we have 14.9. Here we add them before we subtract. So 22 plus 4, 6. Here, since a while ago we added 81 and 8, now subtract 81, 8. Oops. There, 73. I can already graph them. Click IV and drag it until the last value of DV, which is 81. It will be, and you find charts, and then mark scatter. There, you have. You see the blue dots there. It represents the IV and DV and X and Y axis. So, but we need to connect them. So you click the dots, left click, add thread line, and you select a color that will correspond to the dot so you won't get confused. And there. Now we need to add the maximum and the minimum slopes. So left click anywhere, select data, and you add to series. This one for the maximum, this one for the minimum. Technical difficulties. Okay, sorry for that. There, we need to find its x values, which is already 2.6. So you click on 2.6, drag it until 13.1, and here do the same procedure, 18 until 89 for its y values. Here, for the minimum, to 1.4 until 14.9. And here, 26 until 73. Okay, there. We, we just have to connect them again. So left click, add thread line, select a card will correspond so you won't get confused. This red, this one's green. So we're almost done. We just need to add the error bars. So there, you click the dots, then uh, format data series, then you will find error bars, both, then with cap. Do it for both X error bars and Y error bars, both with cap. Okay, so do the customize specify value. Here for the X value, we use the uncertainty in IV because IV is the x-axis. So you click on 0.6, then drag it until 0.9. Do it also for the negative 0.6 until 0.9. Okay, that's wrong. Sorry for that. Let's do it again. There. For the Y, this time you do the same. Custom specify, but use the uncertainties in DV because DV is the y-axis. So 4 until 8. Here, 4 till 8. There. Now, there we have the error bars together with there. So there you have it, guys. That's how you graph uncertainties using Microsoft Excel. Hope you enjoy my vid.